Need to restore a CX-Supervisor SCADA project from a CXB backup file? These backups protect critical industrial automation projects from data loss. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through restoring CX-Supervisor project backups. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents, even when the CXB format fails. More on this later. A CXB file is encountered by automation engineers or technicians working with Omron's CX-Supervisor HMI SCADA software. They are looking to restore a project which contains the complete configuration, graphics, and logic for a machine or process control interface from this backup archive. The CXB format is a proprietary compressed archive created by CX-Supervisor. It bundles all project components, screens, scripts, data logs, and communication settings into a single binary file. This design ensures a complete and reliable restoration of the control system's state, critical for industrial environments. Omron CX-Supervisor from Omron Corporation should be your first choice when attempting to open CXB. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows does not decode proprietary backup structures, so compatible software is required for access. To start the process, right-click your CXB file and select Open With. If you have Omron CX-Supervisor installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If your CXB file will not open, do not worry. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, restoring in CX-Supervisor. Open Omron CX-Supervisor and use the File menu's Restore Project function to load the CXB file. Select the backup file and choose a destination directory for restoration. The software extracts all project components, rebuilding the complete SCADA application ready for development or runtime. Next, using CX1 Suite. If using the integrated CX1 automation suite, access backup restoration through the project management tools. CX1 handles CXB files within the broader Omron development environment, integrating with PLC programming and other automation tools for unified project recovery workflows. Finally, extracting with Archive tool. Try opening the CXB file with 7-zip or WinRAR, as some backup formats use standard compression internally. If the archive opens, you can browse the project structure and extract individual components, though full restoration still requires CX-Supervisor for proper project reconstruction. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.